Is early spring the best time to prune my azaleas? And you know what? We get that question every year about this time at the office. You think, I mean, you would think people would understand it a little bit, but you still get that same question. So what do you think?
Well, you can prune something that blooms after it finishes blooming. So I would wait till they bloomed first and then cut them back, even if it's severely. You know, but you're going to cut off all your blooms if you cut it now before it blooms. And that's the whole point of having azaleas. They're beautiful. So let them bloom first and then cut them back. And that goes for anything that blooms in the spring. If it's going to bloom in the spring, let it bloom, then cut it back.
Thanks for watching. If you liked it, subscribe. We have hundreds of family plot videos for you to view.